Buenos dias, Internet. It's Mark 5, aka the best producer alive. And today I'm going to show you how to style your hair like a boss in under 1 minute. Now, not everybody's going to be able to style their hair like Mark 5. Most men my age, they're either going bald or they cut their hair so short it can't be styled. And a lot of those guys are Mark 5 haters because you basically need a coif to do your hair like a boss. Now, before I get started, I want to let you know a few things about Mark 5. I don't use products in my hair. I don't use hairspray. I don't use a blow dryer. Matter of fact, I think all that's for chicks. You need to cut that out, okay? Because a boss isn't going to get out a blow dryer and hairspray, okay? That's for pretty boys. There's a difference between being a boss and a pretty boy. And Mark 5 is not a pretty boy. All you need are two things, okay? You need a brush and you need some hair gel. Now, I'm not going to tell you the type of hair gel I use because that would cost the company $1 trillion. But get whatever hair gel you like. I suggest one that doesn't flake. First is just a very little bit of water. I use a very little bit, just kind of get the hair a little wet. Get your hair gel, just a dab. Run it around in your hands. Set the timer. We do it in under a minute. Here we go. Like to make sure I get the gel on the sides so the sides don't stick out. Sometimes I get a little bit more gel. Okay, not too much. We're at 16 seconds. Get the brush, only comb it a few times. Looks slick. That's it. Comb the sides back. And there you have it. Look like a boss in under a minute. 39 seconds. So I don't want to look like Richie Valens where the hair's all perfect. So all I do is I just kind of run my hands through it, get it a little messy, make it look a little bit more natural. Boom. In under 1 minute, you're a boss, okay? No products, no blow dryer, no hairspray, okay? In under 1 minute, you could go about making more boss moves. All you need is your brush, some hair gel, run your hands through it, and you're good to go. You will no longer need to ask women out. Women will be going up to you, asking you out. Mark 5, Boss God. Make sure you go get your Mark 5 merch at mark5merch.com. Thank you.